So if you've seen a previous video that I was talking on this project management diagrams where we used to monitor the time that we spend on a project, or maybe in sub projects or even activities inside the project. So if you haven't checked that video where I explained all the dynamics and maybe the simple math behind it, I think I advise that you check it. That I was writing with a pencil and also explaining it more clearer. And here I'll be just trying to show you how could I solve similar problem maybe on Excel, maybe even application in real life. So this video won't be useful if you haven't covered that, but maybe, I don't know, maybe I could be able to actually convince you from my second video. Then good. So we're given these activities and the times, and then we're supposed to draw a network diagram, populate network diagram with whatever that they want, the early start, early finish, and late start, late finish, and all that. So good. So I just stole this and then I'm going to paste it here. Cool. And then activity that we're interested in this case we're interested on this activity A, starting with activity A, or maybe because it's activity name I could make it bigger and even make it bold, maybe even more bigger, or maybe even give it some nice color. Okay, early start, assuming that this thing should start at 0, right, because time starts at 0. Duration, I think they did give us durations for all the activities somewhere in the top. Duration for A, that's duration for A. And then early finish should start at, it should finish in the time that it started, plus the duration, the time it should finish. Okay. And then late finish, we're adding late start, I mean, it's going to equal to, this is actually explained better in another video. It's going to be maybe the finish time minus duration. Cool. Don't worry about that. Let's move on. And I'm going to paste it and maybe it makes sense of it here. Cool. Maybe now I'm interested in the next activity. Next activity is going to be B. The duration for B, I'm going to come here. I have duration for B here as 2, as 5, whatever. It's 5. Then look at its early start. It's going to start. It's going to start exactly where the other one finished, right? And then good. I think I'm good in there now. But now let me just put an error. Arrow, I mean, it's not really important, just for illustration purposes. Maybe I want to put this connected with that. Cool. What else I need? Also the finish here for this one. The finish is going to be the same as the start of this one. So I said this finish is same as the start. This is the late start, should be the same as late finish. Remember, the bottom ones are late, the top ones are early, right? Okay, cool. Then we can just copy this thing again, because I think, at least according to me, it's more efficient. And then let's look at the next activity. It's C, if it's connected to A. It's connected to, what is it? It's C connected to A. When does its early start? Early start, yeah, it's going to start, that's the early finish. The duration for it, for C, duration is 6. I'm trying to rush this video as much as possible. For details, you can just go to the previous video. yeah, I think that's enough. I can duplicate the error. I mean, I don't know what's wrong with me there. And then connect it with that. These connections are nothing to do with the formulation, they are just here for aesthetics, I'll say. Okay, cool. What's my next step now? It's going to be C is connected to A. C is connected to A. I already did that. D is connected to C. Okay, so I want what is it? I think it's D. Duration for D. Go back. Duration for D is 4. Go down. Early starts. Early starts will be the same as early finish from here. Alright, and then okay, the late parts I have to do it backwards obviously to avoid making mistakes, so I'll just neglect it for now. I think I've made some mistakes somehow, but it doesn't matter for now. We're supposed to do it when we are coming back. That's what I did it on the previous video. Please check it out. And then what else we have? We have E connected to D and B. That means somewhere here we can put, okay, somewhere here we'll call it E, and let me put arrows. I know they have nothing to do with what we are doing. Let's just connect it to that. Let's do that one again. Good. And now the duration for E, I'm going to come here. Please, if I'm making a mistake, you can just check on the comment, but the idea is that you understand what I'm trying to. Then the start, copying the end of the previous one. Good. And then finisher, I'll start making it. Finish will be the same. So I'm getting 14 there. Okay, cool. Then when you're going, if you're going forward, okay, then okay, the 2 now goes in here. Oh no, it's not really the 2, it's a 12. I don't know how I said the 2. It's a 12. I'm writing it exactly the 12 because just delete it here. It's become dynamic as possible. So these ones are complete, but now finish should be the start, so I need to connect it with this late start. Okay, so what am I putting here? Obviously, remember, if you're going forward, we're going to put the max, so in this case we're going to put the mean. I mean the minimum. When I say mean, it looks like I'm saying the average. So average of, I mean mean, I mean lowest between that. Oh no, these are averages. These are durations. The start is this, and that. And I think that I made some mistake. I hope I didn't. It starts as 0. I think that's more common. Also, when I'm going forward here, the start here should be the max, because before you move to the next node, you want the other one to be finished. Both of them that are required for whatever next thing. Max between the finish. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Putting the finish it finishes. So it doesn't change anything, but it makes it more dynamic. Okay, then critical path. We said critical path is one where there is no float, like this one. Here there is float, so the critical path is going to be the one below. So if you want to change something, maybe on your problem, you can just maybe change problem on maybe duration of this one, make it 9. So this thing dynamics, it just change everything for you. Something is wrong, but yeah, I think it was 2. So the idea is that, so what I was trying to show you was not really teaching how to do this thing. There's a video that's dedicated to that. Here it was me trying to explain how we're going to carry it maybe on Excel. So if there are mistakes, I hope not. You could just come and maybe show me where I made a mistake, but I hope I didn't. And if you're interested in getting this templates I'm using, or the one that I just made in front of you, you could just comment something and show me that you need it, then I can try to get it to you, maybe email or something. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to check the other video, and I think this answers most of the questions that we're supposed to answer. These ones that are not answered, the duration is the number here. So the ones that are not answered are going to be are literally answered because I don't know, if you look at the previous video that we took. So this is the end, this is the start, so it looked fine to me. Thank you for watching.